Hey there, welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into a common data problem that many analysts face. The problem we're tackling involves filtering a table to find the most populous city in each country. It's a task that requires some clever data manipulation to get the desired results. Now, let's talk about the solution. Using Ibis, we can achieve this by creating a new column called row_number that ranks the cities in each country by population. We then filter down to the city with the highest rank, 0, in each country, effectively giving us the most populous city. Finally, we removed a row_number column to clean up the result. The code snippet provided shows exactly how to do this step by step, making the process clear and efficient. In summary, filtering a table to find the most populous city in each country can be easily accomplished with Ibis using the approach we discussed. It's a handy technique for data analysts looking to extract specific information from their datasets. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy analyzing!